Students, I am Shubha. I am today going to talk about local government, chapter 4, 8th standard social science. So, going to detail local government, please take a notebook or a pen or a pencil or a paper. Now go on, take these notes because 1 mark question will be given to you, or fill in the blanks, question marks will be given to you, or otherwise long question marks you will be getting. So that's why I am going to give you the most important points here. Father of local government in India is known as Lord Ripon. Article 43 to 243 Jhadji, Schedule 9th of Constitution gives detail of Panchayat Raj system. In India, 1983, Panchayat Act came, but it into the effect of 1985, it came into existence. The Karnataka Panchayat Raj Act, framed as per the 73 or 73rd Amendment of 1993. This was renamed as Karnataka Grama Swaraj and Panchayat Raj Act 1993 in 2015. The main objectives of local governments are to solve the problems of local people. Second, to provide the knowledge of administration to the people. Third, make administration efficient by decentralizing powers in the local areas. To develop leadership qualities among the people. Fourth, functions of local government are: first one, to collect taxes, fees and penalties. Second, to maintain and protect the panchayat property. Third, to prepare the annual budget of the local body. Fourth, to maintain cleanliness and sanitization of area. Fourth, to ensure prompt registration of birth and death. That two words are mingled, prompt registration, that divide them. Sixth, to plan and implement the welfare schemes for SC, ST and OBC women weaker sections. SC means scheduled caste, ST means scheduled tribe, OBC means other backward caste, and women and weaker section. Seventh, to encourage agriculture, animal husbandry, khadi and handicraft industries. Eighth, to provide facilities like marketing, street lighting, reading room. Coming to next one, Panchayat Raj in Karnataka. First one, Jilla Panchayat. This is the highest panchayat system. Then middle, second one is Taluk Panchayat. Grama Panchayat, 6022 panchayats in India are there. Particularly what I am going to talking about Karnataka, this is related to Karnataka only. The numbers are mentioned there. Structure of Grama Panchayat Karnataka: President, Vice President, PDO. President and Vice President are elected the members of Grama Panchayat. PDO appointed by government. Village 1, Village 2, Village 3, Village 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. are under the control of PDO. And most importantly, President and Vice President are the head of this Grama Panchayat. The members of these wards from Grama Panchayat, Karnataka had 6022 Gram Panchayat. Villages with a 5000 to 7000 population. Adjacent villages join to create Gram Panchayat. Every 400 resident, one ward member representative are there. Grama Panchayat population between 5,000 to 7,000. Members elected by adult population. One representative for 400 voters is elected. Reservation, scheduled tribe, scheduled caste, other backward caste and women's. Grama Panchayat meetings at least once in 2 months. President and Vice President elected by all members for term of 30 months. President presides meetings. In absence of President, Vice President preside works of President. That I am going to there. P is there, that is President. The Panchayat Development Officer, PDO, is executive head of the Grama Panchayat. Taluk Panchayat, members directly elected by the eligible voters. The numbers in the Taluka Panchayat is based on population of Taluk. The reservation, SC, ST, OBC and women. The president are chosen through lottery system for 1 year. The term of the Taluk Panchayat member is 5 years. MLA, MLC and MP of jurisdiction can attend the Taluk Panchayat meetings. Taluk Panchayat meetings held once in 2 months. President presides meetings. Government appoints one PDO to look after executive works of Taluk Panchayat. Functions: prepare annual plan of Grama Panchayats and submit to Jilla Panchayats. PS is their Panchayats. Second one, to implement all welfare programs according to Jilla Panchayat or state government. Then Jilla Panchayat. Members directly elected by the people of a district. Total number of representatives vary from district to district based on the population. For example, in Kodagu, one member, 18,000 population is there. Chikmagaluru and Uttara Kannada, 30,000 is there. Bangalore urban, for one member, 20,000 is there. And for other district, 35,000 to 45,000 population is there. The reservation is same as per previously told. SC, ST and OBC and other women's. Term of members is 5 years. Meeting at least 2 months. President and Vice President are elected for 5 years. President is known as Jilla Adhyaksha. The main functions of a Jilla Panchayat are to provide training programs, to provide the living work sheds to artisans, to provide seeds capital to micro and small industries in rural, to hold promotional campaigns in rural, to assist the artisans, to provide the toolkits to artisans, to do the artisan survey, recovery of loans. Executive, Chief Executive Officer, Administrative Section, Development Section, Planning Section, Account Section, Council sections are related to the Jilla Panchayat. So, local bodies, town is known by population of 20,000 and 50,000. Number of councillors are between 23 to 27. Here population must be 20,000 and 50,000 in between. That is called a town. And councillors are 23 to 27 members are there. City known between population of 50,000 and 3 lakhs. City councillors of a municipality number between 31 to 37. Town and city municipality have elected representative are called councillors. Town and city municipality have elected representative are called councillors. Reservations, SC, ST, OBC and women's. President and Vice President are head of local bodies. Chief Officer is Administrative Officer of the municipal body appointed by the government. The main function of urban local bodies are functions of municipality. Administrations like survey of buildings, lands, securing or removal of dangerous buildings and places, registration of births and deaths, drawing up an annual administrative report and a submission of the same to the state government. Details of Mahanagara Palike or city corporation. City corporation formed in the areas with more than 2 lakh population and an income more than 1 crore rupees. The members known as corporators. Corporators decided by the population. Their number should not be less than 30 and more than 100. City divided in wards. Each corporator elected from each ward of that city. Reservations are, as same previously told, SC, ST, OBC and for women. Mayor and deputy mayor are leaders of the corporation. They preside meetings and control executive works. The commissioner is the real executive of city corporations. He is of AS cadre, appointed by the state government for 3 years. He assists the mayor in preparing the budgets and executive functions of the corporation.